Hey, yo, what up? This is your boy TT, and now we're coming back to the LungTrey segment. Remember, this is the segment we're going to be talking, listening, sharing, laughing. If it's laughable, niggas. Oh, you all know, you gotta laugh. I mean, that's the whole point. The point is to laugh. But it's a new show, it's a new day, it's a new segment, it's a new studio. Hey, guys, I'm back like I never left. But I just wanted us to talk about something because it's December, guys. And I feel like everybody's on fatigue right now. People are tired. People just want to go on leave, spend their money with family and their loved ones. But let's just try to talk about this fatigue thing. Why is it fatigue happening in the last month of the year? December, to be precise. Is it because we've been working countlessly throughout the year and now we're kind of feeling like we deserve some rewards? I mean, I'm asking myself and I'm asking even you guys, but everybody's on fatigue right now. But we need to differentiate. We need to learn to differentiate between fatigue and being tired, fatigue and being stressed. You can work on a certain project and it might stress you out, but does it mean you're on fatigue? Hell no. You're just tired. Just take a short break and come back. But there's this other thing, man, fatigue. Because basically, fatigue, it's more like you're still having some ideas of how to do a certain thing, but the energy is just not there. The energy is not there, man. So I'm asking myself right now, am I on fatigue? Hell no. I mean, I'm tired, but I'm not really on fatigue because fatigue is a big word. And I feel like people who are on fatigue, it has to be people who have money. It has to be people who've been working their ass off throughout the years, where like they can really point at something and they be like, this is what I've been working out throughout the entire year. You know what I mean? So, but people are just saying, hey, we are on fatigue, and people are taking leaves because it's December. And the reason is, they just want to eat their money. They just want to spend their money with their loved ones. Because ask yourself, how much money or how much budget do you need in order to spend your December? Somebody might say, mere 10K, it's enough. Well, if it's 10K, does it mean you're going to be grooving every week or every day? If you're gonna be drinking every day, oh man, you need a lot of money, like a gangbang of money. But I don't know. Is it wrong to spend all of your money during holidays? Is it wrong to spend all your money during this festive? I mean, it's your money, you've worked for it. You have every right to spend your money, but you gotta spend it responsibly, wisely so, because January is coming next month. We will be eating like cabbage, making salads with cabbage, making all those things with cabbage. You know, during January, everything is cabbage. Cabbage. And it tastes nice, it tastes good. But it's your money, you worked for it. So maybe, I mean, if you have a plan for next year, whether you're going to be spending some other money, or maybe you have the next project coming up, you can do that. But is it wrong to spend all your money? I mean, it's not wrong if you're not paying anybody, like you don't owe anybody, not a dime. If you're just spending it, just having fun, I mean, come on, do your thing, man, do your thing. And I've noticed something.
Trejo Tebogo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, LungTrey STUDIO, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung